you're a weekend warrior, a keen four-wheel driver, or someone that just wants to head away on day trips, an awning is what your four-wheel drive calls for, especially a high-quality premium one like the Drivetech 4x4 awning you see above me. Now, if you've ever been camping, the sun's been blaring down at you, or it's been raining heavily and you've got nowhere to sit, an awning is your answer. The Drivetech 4x4 one you see above me here and behind me is a 280 GSM ripstop canvas. Now that's some of the best in the industry. What it's mean is it's going to be long lasting, it's going to be UV safe, and it's going to give you the most protection possible. If you have a look over here, you'll also see the telescopic twist lock poles on both the arms and the legs. You're going to have the Velcro straps here that are going to enable you to tighten up the canvas against the pole, meaning that water runoff and that kind of thing in the wind isn't going to be a major problem. What more, it comes in a heavy duty PVC protective bag for mounting to your car, and it's also UV stable, which means the bag itself isn't going to discolor or fade when it's left in the sun, and the awning is going to be always safe. An awning really is the best way to camp, guys. I recently had a 9-day trip to the high country, and my awning, which is the same, the Drivetech bad boy, came in handy every single day. You put your swag out, you set your chairs up like we have today, and they come into their own. And there's such a variety of sizes, including a 1.4x2, a 2x2, a 2.5x2.5, and a 2.5x3. You've really got an awning size for every vehicle you can imagine. So pick one up today, Drivetech 4x4.